If you're just advertising your business on Facebook and social media, then stop. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 ways in which to grow your business through Google. On the screen here, we've done a Google search for roofers in Bellevue, Ontario, in beautiful Canada. We've got the listing page just come up on the screen. At the bottom, within the green element, is the organic listings essentially. So there, where businesses are getting free display advertising. But what they've done is they've optimized their website. So when anyone Googles in Bellevue for roofers, then Google will crawl their website and pick them and show them. Okay. Now, if someone clicks on their display, it doesn't cost them anything. However, there is an investment in getting the website there in the first place. Now, there are businesses that don't want to wait that time, so Google will give you the opportunity to basically be above everybody else, and you can go into what they call the auction, which is the Google Ads auction, and it's pay per click. So you've got 4 listings at the top of Google above the map. So here it's showing 3 businesses that are looking for work. Now, these 3 companies at the moment haven't paid a penny. They will only pay if I was to click on any of these ads or make a phone call. Now, so as I say, you only pay when you get a click here. So it can be very, very effective in driving sales very, very quickly for a local business. Now, the reason number 2 for loving Google is the display network. The display network is a network of websites. I think there's over 2.56 million websites that you can advertise your business on and services. So here I've got some examples, one of which is Oxford Mail. They run Google display ads. So you'll see these. Maybe you've been to a local website and suddenly you start seeing their ads popping up all over the place. That they're using the display network, and the great thing is, as a merchant or somebody who's running these ads, they're not paying anything until you press on the ad. So fantastic brand awareness across the world, covers over 90% of the World Wide Web. And a third reason for loving Google Ads is their beautiful shopping. Google Shopping is a phenomenal network where you can basically show your products. So I've Googled men's Reebok trainers, which I bought on the weekend. So I found these through Google Shopping, where you literally get, on the right hand side of this screen, you'll see here there's a list of products. So again, fantastic for selling product. If you're selling a product and you're not using Google Shopping, then you need to speak to us, because we can actually get you in front of somebody who's actually looking for your product. Now, it's a phenomenal network. Again, you don't pay anything unless someone actually clicks on your ad and comes to your shopping cart, basically, which is really, really high intent. Again, on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see that the similar businesses, so Reebok, JD Sports, so on and so forth, they're running pay-per-click advertising, but they're also backing it up with the visual side of shopping, basically showing the product that they're actually selling. So that's the beauty of it. Okay. And the 4th reason for loving Google is YouTube advertising. So, and it's also my personal favourite as well. Now, YouTube is owned by Google. Okay, a bit of stats for you. It was bought back in 2005 from Google, and YouTube has since become the 2nd biggest search engine. So people are actually consuming content. I think there's over 3 billion searches a day on YouTube alone. So it's a fantastic opportunity for you as a local business, service or product, to actually increase sales from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you now on screen some of the type of content you can put on there. One here, so someone selling property, is a local estate agent. Again, 13,000 views. The beauty of this is it's actually specific to niches. So whether you're in real estate or you've actually got products, you can actually reach people as they're actually looking for your particular product. The search capability that you've got in Google is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to show you some screenshots here of local channels. So we've got Phil Spencer. He runs Move IQ, which since his location days, he's actually developed his own little library now. And then we've got people that are selling products such as little tracking devices that you'll see on the screen right now. So there's videos that are going around, and they're actually targeting people when they're actually looking. So when they click on the ad, it goes straight through to their sales process essentially. Okay. So if you're still watching me, then you're clearly interested in grabbing more sales for your business. Okay. Now, if you're interested, then in the description box there will be a link where you can schedule a 15-minute consultation here at the Marketing People with one of our team, and we'll basically ascertain whether it's Google Search, Google Display, Google Shopping, or YouTube is the right plan for your business. So book yourself in, and I'll see you soon.